Okay, so this is the same file that we have your part 18. So this time I'm gonna save this as save as part 19. Okay. So we'll be using the same part file to demonstrate the offset from the plane. Okay. So if we will try to create an offset plane, just click this one button here. Then you will notice here as we hover on our parts, so we have displayed the plane that will be created. So if I will try to press this surface, so you will be prompted by the distance which is given, which is starting with 0 mm, so it means that it lies on the surface. Now if I will try to use this button, this arrow, so you will notice here as I drag the arrow, there is an increased amount of distance that is being already traveled by this plane. Okay, so that is the beauty of using this offset work plane. So you can also try that one, play that one also on this side, so using your offset work plane. So trying to do that one. Okay, you can enter the value, for example 10 mm, so you have that value. So you will notice here we have the created new work plane that is 7 and 8, and we can also edit that one. As you double click on this work plane 8, you can edit the quantity or the numbers of the distance, so how far you want to move the surface of the work plane. Okay, so you will notice that one. And also you can also try that one offsetting here those work plane if you want to draw on this surface. Okay, you can also click on drag, or let's say give the values for this one. For example, I will give this one a 60 mm. Okay, so from here that is being created the work plane, so we can start a 2D sketch here. So as I start my 2D sketch on this work plane, so our the plane is now directly parallel to the surface of your parallel to the screen of your desktop. Then from here I can draw my plane. I can draw my sketch, sorry. Then I can give the dimension for this one. Okay, that will be given. Now in order to make this one fully constrained, so I can also do, so for example I have now 2 dimensions required for constraints, so I can make a project with geometry so that I have the basis for constraining my drawing. So I can do that one and giving this a dimension for the distance. So you have now 1 dimensions left, and let's give it more 1 distance here. Let's say maybe the distance from here. Okay, let's try to do that. So we have now a fully constrained. You notice that one. Then if I will going to finish my sketch, and I can extrude this object towards whatever direction I want, so depending on the type of the drawing you want to attain, so you can drag that one, maybe like that one. Okay, so that is by using an offset work plane. So I'll be saving this part file as part 19. So notice that we have already in detail for this one for our sketch. Notice that one also in our sketch is already being set here. So just entering this one and project the values, so we able to get the results. So I'm gonna finish this sketch, and we have already drawn our part features. So I'm gonna save this file. It's part 19.